Hello and welcome to How to Webmaster. Today, let's check out the top 4 highest paying affiliate programs. Kinsta is a high-performance WordPress hosting provider that was started in 2013. They are very well known in the world of WordPress. They offer a great affiliate commission program that pays 10% recurring commission on all referred hosting and managed WordPress services. They also have a generous 90-day cookie window. Earn up to $500 for every referral plus 10% monthly recurring lifetime commissions. WP Engine offers WordPress hosting for all sizes. They offer everything you need to get your WordPress site up and running, including automatic updates, daily backups, 24/7 support, and more. Plus, they're one of the few hosts that's officially endorsed by WordPress. The WP Engine affiliate program pays commissions of $200 for each new customer that is referred and signs up for a monthly hosting plan. If you send even as few as 5 referrals, you can earn extra bonus commissions to increase your payouts even more. HostArmada is a lesser-known web hosting company. However, there are a number of good reasons why you should promote HostArmada. First, HostArmada offers a high commission rate of up to $200 with a $10 starting bonus just for signing up. This is one of the highest commission rates in the web hosting industry. Second, HostArmada has a wide range of services that appeal to a variety of customers. Finally, HostArmada is a reliable and trustworthy company that has been in business for over a decade. Flywheel is another excellent platform for WordPress hosting and agency needs, offering a suite of powerful features and tools that makes managing WordPress sites easier than ever. Flywheel users enjoy blazing fast site speeds, easy one-click staging and cloning, top-notch security, and a host of other features and benefits. Flywheel users have the ability to manage multiple WordPress sites from one account. You can easily create, manage, and host as many WordPress sites as you need, all from one easy-to-use platform. Affiliates can earn up to $500 for every referral. Other top web hosting companies typically pay affiliate commissions in the range of $60 to $125, including Bluehost and HostGator. In general, web hosting companies have some of the highest paying affiliate programs on the web. I highly recommend promoting them if your content is anywhere related to small business, webmasters, WordPress, or internet marketing. Thanks for checking out this video, and happy marketing!